Electrical current, also referred to simply as current, is the phenomenon of electric charge flowing through a conductor. This flow typically consists of the movement of electrons through a medium such as a wire. Current is measured in units called amperes. The direction of current flow is commonly depicted as the route that positive charges would follow, even though it is actually the movement of electrons that constitutes current. The concept of current is fundamental in the field of electrical engineering, where it plays a crucial role in the design and operation of various electronic devices and systems. Understanding the principles of current flow is essential in order to effectively analyze and troubleshoot electrical circuits and components. Additionally, the study of electrical current has led to the development of innovative technologies that have transformed various industries, ranging from telecommunications to power generation. Collectively, current is an integral aspect of modern society, as it powers the devices and systems that are essential for our daily lives.